Damn, you can shit.
What's up, guys? Back in the tundra. Headed down here to Greenville today. I'm finally going down here to All Trans to pick my transmission up. It's done. It's $2,800 and we're going to pick it up. So stay tuned. Should be a alright vid. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and if you're not subscribed, go and subscribe. Leave a like. Alright guys, pulling into this place. Hopefully somebody's still here. I called about an hour ago and told them I was going to be a couple minutes late.
They closed 15 minutes ago.
Yeah, they closed at 5:30. It's 5:45. So yeah, wish us luck. We're pulling in.
What if nobody's here? Stop.
I guess we just drove an hour for nothing. Well, y'all stay tuned. We'll see what's up. Alright guys, well, we made it. They're here. So getting some cash, and we're gonna go pay this man. This is what hard work gets you. Grind, baby. Alright y'all, well, that's fourth gear out of the Trans. It's rebuilt, it's in the back. I don't know if y'all can see it. Yup, it's back there. So we're headed back to North Carolina, so y'all stay tuned. It was $2,800. Now I gotta rip out my clutch and do a few other things, pilot bearing, throw out bearing. So it's just the beginning still. So, but hey, one step closer. So y'all stay tuned. In the garage, so there she is, all shined up, cleaned up. Gotta do a throw out bearing and a couple other things, pilot bearing. Might have to put a new clutch in it, but stay tuned for that. I'll be pulling the clutch on the 4th gen. And what's up, guys? Out here, gonna put in some work on this Dodge today. I'm actually getting up under here and we're gonna be taking out this clutch. So I've got some pucks that are missing out of it, and it's always been like really chattery. So gonna get it out and inspect it, see what we got going on. It's pretty cold out here. It's actually the warmest day this week. It's probably mid 40s today. It's been in the 30s and 20s. It's been freezing out here. So yeah, can't complain. I picked up the transmission. Y'all probably seen that in the other clips I threw in with this video. But stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy. We'll see what this clutch is about. Guys, just like last time pulling the G56, I got one more bolt out. I'm gonna set this camera up, so I don't know where I'm gonna set it, but hopefully everything will be good. Hopefully we won't drop no clutch on ourselves. Let's see what we got. Let me try and get in position, brother. I would guess you can see. I don't know if it's too close or what. Oh well. We're sending it, boys. Just gonna send it. I'm out here. This some bitch is heavy though. Apparently it's like 70 pounds. So let's see what's up. I'm scared, honestly. Last bolt. Alright. Not bad at all. Hell yeah. First clutch I've ever took out right there, boys. Damn right. It's fucking easy as pie, baby. Ooh, we still got more though. Here's another D-scratch on. Okay, down flap. You on them shit, bro. Hey, yeah, bro. Get her done. Get her done. Y'all probably think I'm retarded. I just get so excited. What's up, guys? Alright, I'm out here. Got the bearing puller. About to pull this pilot bearing out of the flywheel. Clutch looked good, so we're going to clean it up with the Wizzy wheel, get all the surface rust off of it, and we're going to be back in business. Got to get a throwout bearing, fill the G56 up with fluid. That's going to be another day, probably this weekend if the weather's alright. But other than that, we're about to be rolling this 4th gen, boys. So hope y'all are as ready as I am. Just a little FYI, if you're gonna be pulling a pilot bearing in one of these things, duh, there's a fucking C-clip in there, so no wonder I've been beating this bitch for 10 minutes and can't get the thing to come out. So let's get this snap ring out and see if I can get this bearing out. Guys, out here under the 4th gen, just got this new pilot bearing that I've been waiting for over a week on. Just finally got it in. South Bend hooked it up, so shout out to them. They sent me 2 for free, and I ended up paying overnight and it didn't get here. And so I called them today. It's Monday. I ordered it on a Thursday, and they pretty much reimbursed my $61 for paying overnight since it didn't come. And I'll show you here in a minute. They sent me like a pack full of stickers, so they hooked it up. Shout out to them. But about to clean this flywheel up, just clean this shit up a little bit, and then put the clutch in, and then tomorrow should be putting the trans in. I'm gonna put that C-clip ring in there and call it a day on this part. Alright guys, out here another day, about to put this clutch in. Got the new center plate in here, and I've got these bolts that I'm gonna put in here on the flywheel so I can put the clutch up in there and set it on there so I can get the bolts all in there and I don't have to hold it up. So that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, she's in there. And then we got another one. Bam.
Where's all them bolts and the lock washers and shit?
Yeah. What's up guys? So just got the clutch thrown in this thing. Not even gonna lie, I couldn't do it myself, so I had to have some assistance from my uncle. He slapped it in there, so stay tuned. Alright, had to jack this bitch all the way up. Get the trans under there, but she's under there. YouTube, man.
What?
YouTube. Gotta catch a vid for the YouTube. Little 12 valve rolling out right there, boys. That's the dad. What's up, guys? Out here on the 4th gen, another day. And I think a really exciting point right here. As you can see, my hands are a mess. Probably look it as well. But after fighting with this thing for about 30 minutes, bada bing, bada freaking boom. Got her slide in, slid in there. About to run some bolts in there before she falls out or something. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so I got the batteries connected, so you know what that means. But actually not quite. I gotta fill this thing up with fluid. Trans is in. Drive shaft, cross member, transfer case, rear drive shaft. Got everything up and going. She's alive. So still no headlights, so it's getting dark. Probably not gonna be able to drive this thing tonight. But we're gonna go for a test ride, period. I'm really debating on putting the fluid in from the top right there, or putting it in from the on the side of the transmission on the right side, which is a pain in the ass. So trying to get around that, looking up online, seeing if it's going to hurt if I put it in the top of the case. And yeah, we'll get back with you. Here, no, shine it. I'm recording. Listen, she doesn't want me to end this vid, y'all.
Oh my god.
All right, look.
I don't want you.
Look, shine it on the truck. Come on. Just shine it.
Really going the fuck home.
Alright, so the 4th gen is running. No headlights in it, but everything's in there, bolted down.
They can't see anything. You're gonna have to redo this.
So,
Okay.
she's an asshole. Alright guys, well, I'm sorry I don't have nobody to record me, but she's on the road. Sorry I ain't got the best of vids lately, and hopefully y'all like what I come up with, but I appreciate all the new subscribers and all the ones we've had for a while. Y'all are pretty awesome, so stay tuned for more. She's full up there, just whistling away. Love it.